exciting day. Super secret workshop announcement. That's why I'm whispering. It's not yet up on the page, but I am co-hosting with Way Up North and Cole at an Iceland workshop. So if you want to come out, it's a photography heavy workshop, which means you get to take sunrise pictures, and sunrises aren't that early in September, which is nice. Sunset photos, get to do some editing, all kinds of things. There's a ton of information. Cole has run this workshop a number of times now, so he has all the logistics figured out, and I simply get to show up and co-host the event with him. So I kind of feel like I'm cheating a little bit, but I don't have to set anything up. I just get to just arrive. And basically the way it goes, September 26th, we all arrive in Reykjavik. We've arrived at Elon Musk's space church here in Reykjavik. We meet up and we drive a little bit north, and Cole has all the locations scouted. Here are some images from previous workshops, which are amazing. And then we come back down towards Reykjavik and finish it off down there. There are 4 spots left available, so that's a bit of a stressful thing, I think, if you're considering this, because it's going to be amazing. There are only 4 spots left, and I have not yet been announced officially as part of this. So if you do want to grab one of the spots, I am confirmed with Cole. It is an official thing, but it's just not officially up on the website yet. So grab one of those spots if you're interested, if it's a little bit closer maybe than our Banff workshop that we're doing a couple of weeks before. If you live in Europe, it is definitely easier to get to Iceland. And also if you live in the Toronto area, it's very, very easy. I feel like Iceland seems like this far off destination that you're never going to get to visit in your lifetime. And it is a cheaper and faster flight than flying from Toronto to Vancouver, which is still in Canada. You fly overnight, you get on the airplane, 9 p.m., and then you arrive in Iceland with the time difference at 6 a.m. the next day, and you get to feel weird the next day. So maybe try to come in 2 days, 3 days before the workshop. You can arrive, I'm arriving on the 26th, the morning of the 26th, so you can do that if you wish, but I would say maybe give it some extra time if you are coming from North America, because that first day you are a little bit loopy. So give yourself 1 day to get a good night's sleep, and then come meet us all in Reykjavik. That's all. So come take some pictures with us in Iceland. And that is all. Going to go do a podcast now with Tim where we set up a folding table outside in the world and act like it's normal.